can't have it like this. Can you fix it?
Yes, I can fix it, but I want to sure you need like this one here down, this one down.
Bak ne kadar? Ben bu en çok okuyorum. Ne kadar? Yeah.
Brother, please look this one. This one you need to like this here shadow, or
No,
like this,
Yeah, like that. Exactly.
like.
Exactly.
But when you take this image, I think image like this, but you need like that. Okay.
Yeah, I need like that.
Okay, if you send me what type image you face problem, because I have lot of image, because you have lot of image. If you send some image you face problem, so I solve it very fast.
So say again. I didn't hear you.
If you send what type image you face problem, if you send me again my
Okay,
editing
you want
work.
to send you the ones that I want you to redo.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I send you the bracelets that I want you to redo. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
And where do in the photo sharing I can send you there because they're telling me that I already sent you, so I can send you again.
No, everything not, just you face problem, this image, not all, not everything, just you face problem like ups and down, this type image already I edit, you can send again. I just same image, I just rotate and edit again.
So you just have to rotate. That's it.
Okay, don't worry.
And the
I
shadow
found.
too, the shadow, it can be applied. It has to be done, or don't put shadow. I don't mind.
Okay, okay, I understand. Don't worry. Because you have lot of images, so need time. When complete, I send you. Okay,
But
bro.
you know which one you're gonna edit?
Already you have 26 images. Your last order. This image already complete. I send you. Then I solve your problem. When all work complete, I send you.
Yeah, but you know which one you're gonna say. You're gonna edit, no?
Okay, thank you.
No. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, I understand. What you say, I understand.
Which one are you gonna edit?
I do again. Don't need send any image, because image already I have and already I edit.
Okay, so, but
I just search what's image face you problem. I solve this, then I send you.
okay, but which one you're gonna have to redo?
Sorry.
Do you know which one you're gonna have to redo?
Yes, yes,
Like the
redo.
list I show you. Can you see? Are you able to see it or no?
Yes, I understand and I see. I check and when complete I send you.
That are upside down, I want you to redo it. Okay.
Okay, okay. If then I complete, then I send you. If you face problem, tell me. I solve you. Don't worry about this.
Yeah. No, I'm not worrying. I just want to make sure that you understand.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so you know which one you're gonna do it, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so when you do it, let me know.
Okay.